Are you also running a business where you want to automate your WhatsApp? Then I have bought this amazing video for you. So hello everyone, welcome to Pabbly, and in today's video we are going to create a complete WhatsApp automation system by using which you can provide the images of the properties, services or products run by your business, and even can add the data of your leads to the Google Sheet, and this WhatsApp chatbot can automatically reply to all your customer queries by using an AI assistant. So now you can see that this is an all-in-one WhatsApp chatbot which can perform many tasks. So now let me show you how this automation is going to work. So right here you can see this is the interaction between my WhatsApp chatbot and the real-time customers. So here you can observe that by using this WhatsApp chatbot I can provide the images, schedule the visit, and even my customers can get all the answer of their queries. So now let me show you how this amazing WhatsApp automation system can be created by just using Pabbly Chatflow. But before that, let me show you its real-time demo. So for that, I'm going to clear my previous chat, and afterwards I'm going to enter a message that is hello, and this message is going to initiate my WhatsApp chatbot. And as I have provided this message, I'm getting this welcome message which says hello, welcome to Dream Homes Reality. Looking for your perfect property? I'm here to help you find the best options quickly. Please choose an option below. And here we are getting two buttons, that is view properties and ask questions. So here I'm going to select this first button, that is view properties, and as I have selected it, I'm getting the list of the available properties. So now let's open this list and check out some of the properties. So now let's say I'm going to select this 2 BHK apartment, and as I have selected this property type, I'm getting the image of this property with its all the details consisting the location, area, parking, floor, and even the pricing. And here I'm getting this button, that is schedule visit. So now let me select it, and as I have selected this button of the schedule visit, I'm getting a message which is asking me to enter my name. So here I'm going to enter my name as demo user, and as I will provide my name and all the rest of the details, the data will be automatically added to the Google Sheet. And now it is asking me to enter the preferred date for the visit. So here I'm going to enter my preferred date for the visit as 21st April 2026. So now let me enter it, and as I have provided the preferred date for the visit, I'm getting a thank you message which says thank you demo user, your site visit has been scheduled successfully. And here you might observe one thing, that I'm getting the same name of my lead which I have recently entered. Means by using this WhatsApp chatbot you can even send personalized messages too. And now let's move on towards my Google Sheet to check whether the data of my lead is saved over there or not. So here I'm landed to my Google Sheet, where you can see I'm on this sheet that is having the name property visits, where I'm adding the property type, name and the date. And here you can check out that I'm getting the same property type which my user has selected, that is 2 BHK apartment, and the same name and the same date provided by my user. So now you can see that as soon as I have provided my detail, the data is automatically added to the Google Sheet. And now let's move on towards my WhatsApp, because it's not only limited to saving the data in the Google Sheet. This can also provide the answer of all the customer queries. So for that I'm going to select this button, that is ask questions, and as I have selected this button, my AI assistant will be initiated. And here I'm getting this message, that is hello, how may I help you? And here I'm going to enter this message, that is what are the documents required for buying the property. So here I'm going to enter this message, and now let's wait for the response and check whether I get the answer or not. And here you can check out that I'm getting this message which says to buy a property you need the following documents, and here you can check out all the documents listed. So now you have seen I'm getting the answer of my query. Now let me enter one more question for your reference. So here I'm going to enter this message, that is do you provide loan facility for buying the property? Now let's wait for the response of my AI assistant. And now you might be thinking how my AI assistant is responding to me, and here you can see that my AI assistant is responding to me with a message that is yes. So now you have seen how this AI assistant is working in this particular chatbot. So now I have shown you the working of an amazing WhatsApp automation system, and my assistant is responding on the basis of this knowledge base which I have provided to it. And this knowledge base consists details of my business, and here I have added all my details in key points so that my AI assistant doesn't get confused. So make sure to provide the every details of your business, and always start with a business overview which will help your AI assistant to understand what your business about is, who your target audience is, and this act as a brain for your AI. So what you write here is provided by your AI assistant to the customer customers or the clients. So now let me show you how I have created this amazing automation. So for that, let's move on towards the flow page of Pabbly Chatflow. So right here you can see this is the flow which I have created for creating this WhatsApp automation system. And here I have provided it the name create a complete WhatsApp automation system for your business. So if you are an existing user, then you definitely know how to get onto this page. But if you are a new user, then you have to access Pabbly Chatflow by opening the new tab and typing its URL, that is pabbly.com/chatflow. And once you will enter the URL, you will land to the home page of Pabbly, where you will see two options, that is sign in and sign up free. So if you are a new user or logging account first time over the Pabbly Chatflow, then you can just click over the sign up free. And if you sign up your account for free over the Pabbly Chatflow, you get 100 free credits every month for practicing and accessing Pabbly Chatflow. But if you are an existing user like me, then you can just click over this sign in. And if you also want to create this WhatsApp automation system for your business too, then I have bought this amazing discount coupon code, that is STUYT, which is going to provide you heavy and exclusive discounts on yearly and lifetime access plans of Pabbly. So before buying any of our Pabbly product, make sure to use this discount coupon code. But I will suggest you to firstly try out our Pabbly Chatflow and Pabbly Connect, and afterwards you can proceed towards the subscription plans of Pabbly. And now let's move on towards the flow page, where you can see we are getting this option for trigger. And now you might be thinking, what is this trigger? So trigger is the event which is going to initiate our WhatsApp chatbot. And this trigger event can be keyword or the regex entered by your users, or if your user starts the conversation, or many more. But here I'm going to keep it as same, that is keyword regex match. Now you might be wondering, what is this keyword and regex? So keywords are the words which initiate your WhatsApp chatbot. And like as you have seen, I have initiated my WhatsApp chatbot as I have entered this message, that is hello. So here I have made this word as my keyword, which can be seen here. And afterwards we are getting this option for regex. So regex is basically the short form for the regular expression. These are used for the advanced user input. So if you want to trigger any advanced user input, then you can enter regex like this. But for now I'm going to remove this regex from here, as I already have my keyword. And now on your left hand side you can see these messages and action blocks, which you can think as main building block for creating this WhatsApp chatbot flow. So you can drag any of these blocks and create the flow for your WhatsApp chatbot. Now if a user sends me a message, I'm going to send them a welcome message. So for that I have used this text button node by drag and drop, and you can even select it from this message block too. And here I have created two buttons, that is view properties and ask questions. So now as soon as my user will select this option of view properties, I have provided the list of the properties which I have got from this message block, which can be seen here. And here I have provided this body to my list. I have created this section, and you can create many more sections within one list. And I have added 3 items to this list, that is 2 BHK apartment, 3 BHK villa and office space. And afterwards I have provided contact custom field to all these list items. And now you might be wondering, what is this contact custom field? So you can think of contact custom field as a column which consists of a particular data. So here this contact custom consisting of the property type which my user has selected. And for providing the contact custom field, you just have to move over the actions, where you will see this node, that is set custom field. And by using this node you can provide the contact custom fields. And for creating your own contact custom field, you just have to go towards the settings, and here we are getting this option for contact custom fields, which you have to select. And you will be landed to the contact custom fields page, which I have already opened, where you can see the previously created contact custom fields by me. And for creating a new one, we just have to click over this add more field button, and here you have to provide the field name and click over this save button, and your contact custom field will be created. And afterwards I have provided the image of that particular property. So for that I have used the media button, which can be seen on this message block. So by using this media button or this node, you can provide any type of media such as image, audio, video, document, etc. to your customers. And here by selecting this add content, I have selected this text button, where I have added the details of this particular property. And I have created this button, that is schedule visit. And I have done same for the remaining list item as well. And as my user select this button, that is schedule visit, I have provided them the question asking for the name. And for getting this question node, you have to go towards the actions, where you will see this ask question node, which you have to select. And here I have provided this question and selected my contact custom field consisting the full name. And here I have selected my format too. And at last I have entered this question asking for the date, where I have selected my format as date as well. And as I have selected my format as date, it is asking me to enter the number. So here it is basically asking me to enter the number of attempt I want to provide to my customers for entering a valid input. And if my customers enters an invalid input, I am going to provide them this validation error message. And at last I have integrated this flow with the API request, which I have got from this action tab. So by using this API request, I am connecting my Pabbly chat flow with Pabbly Connect. And Pabbly Connect is an all-in-one in one automation tool that integrate varieties of applications and automate your business. So by using Pabbly Connect, I'm going to connect Pabbly Chatflow with Google Sheet. So now as soon as I will receive the data from my WhatsApp or my Pabbly Chatflow, I'm going to add this data to the Google Sheet. So by using this API request, I have integrated Pabbly Chatflow with Google Sheet. So now as soon as I will receive the response, the data will be automatically added to the Google Sheet, and afterwards I have provided this confirmation message. And for this button, that is ask question, I have integrated my AI with this button, and for that I have used this node, that is assign AI assistant, and from here I have selected the AI assistant which I have created, and here it is going to start with the welcome message. So this is the welcome message which is going to start my AI assistant or the conversation with my AI assistant. And now with this I have created this amazing chatbot. And now if you want to learn how to add the data in the Google Sheet by using API request, then make sure to check the video given on the description. And if you want to learn more about how to create an AI assistant, then you can check the video given on the description too. So with this simple process, I have created this amazing WhatsApp chatbot which is providing complete WhatsApp automation system. So now whether saving the data, sending personalized messages, sending images, scheduling the visit, or even providing the answer of all the customer queries, this chatbot can perform anything. And not only the Google Sheet, you can integrate many more applications likewise, such as your CRM applications too. So what are you waiting for? Start using Pabbly Chatflow and Pabbly Connect now. And I have provided the link of the workflow which I have recently created in the description box, so make sure to check it out. And if you face any doubts or challenges, then don't forget to mention it in the comment section. And make sure to use the coupon code STUYT for getting heavy discounts, because this automation is going to save up a lot of your time. And now you can just focus on growth of your business, as this automation is going to handle all your manual tasks. So thank you for watching this video. And not only this chatbot, you can build many more amazing chatbots like this by just using Pabbly Chatflow. So if you want to learn more about the pricings and plans that fit your needs, then you can visit the link given over here. And if you have any queries or need assistance, then you can mail us at the email provided. And if you found this video really helpful, then hit the like, share and subscribe to our channel for more such automation tutorials. So thanks for watching.